Welcome to my new listing, 1180 Heritage Drive in River Valley Ranch, Colorado. Come on inside. So right here, as we enter, we have a main level primary bedroom suite, absolutely enormous, and a full walk-in closet. And as you can see here, we have the master, very spacious with a jetted hot tub, absolutely meticulously cared for, double vanity. Here we are coming into the open living room with the vaulted ceilings and gas fireplace. Absolutely gorgeous and comfortable place to hang out. Brand new carpets. Probably the most unique feature would be the western view across the fairway and facing the river. And the dining room open to the kitchen bar and kitchen area, as you can see, very spacious. And connected is the laundry room. What's unique about this listing is we're on perhaps one of the best parcels. Right on the first fairway, steps from the first green and Crystal River across, and a short walk, 30 seconds possibly, to the clubhouse, pro shop, and the restaurant. This is worth seeing. There's some value here, folks. Right inside the River Valley Ranch community. Come on down and check us out.